Now we are going to learn about cone. This is the cone. Cone. This the base is circular in shape. Base is circular in shape. When we draw the cone, we draw this way. It is circular in shape. Circular in shape. Okay. Radius is R. R. This is the center. This is the perpendicular height of the cone. The height from this apex of the cone. The distance from apex to the middle of the circular face is called the perpendicular height of the cone. Perpendicular height of the cone. This is the curved surface. Curved surface. This is, when we draw, this is the slant edge. Slant edge. Slant edge. Slant height. Slant height. Perpendicular height. We take it as h. We take the slant height as L centimeters. This in here there is a right angle. The circumference of this circle here, it is equal to 5r. This is the circular base. Base is circular. The right cone. The right cone, when we place on the horizontal plane, the perpendicular height, the magnitude of angle between perpendicular height and horizontal surface is right angle. Is a right angle. Then the circumference of this circle is equal to 5r. It is equal the circumference of this to 5r. 5r of 5r here. Now the area of this surface is equal 5r square. 5r square. Area of this circular face is equal 5r square. This is curved surface. Here, this is curved surface. Here, like this. Puta. curved surface. We draw it as this. Curved surface. Curved surface. Here, this is the slant height L. Slant height. Here, this is the slant height. Slant height. Can you understand? Can you understand this? This is the curved surface. This is
side height perpendicular.
Yes, yes. Slant height. When we divide into so many parts, and I paste it. We paste them. Okay. We divide this curved surface to so many sectors. So many sectors, and paste them. We have this rectangle. The breadth of this rectangle is equal L. The slant height of the cone, and length is equal the half of this circle, because the length of this arc is equal to pi r. Then we paste them. The sectors we name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We numbered these sectors as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We divide in here. We paste them in different sides. 1, 2. Then the length of this arc length divide in two parts. 2 pi r is divided by 2. Pi r. The length of the rectangle is equal pi r. Then area of the cone is equal area of the cone. Area of the cone. Cone is equal area of the circular base. Area of the circular base is equal phi r squared plus area of the curved surface. Area of the curved surface is equal phi r multiplied by L. Phi r multiplied by L.
teacher උතන 5r වෙනකොට breadth දාන්නත් පුළුවන්ද?
Can. Breadth is equal the half of the circumference of this circle. Half of the circumference of this circle. Circumference of the circle is equal to phi r. Half of 2 phi r is equal 5r. 5r is the length of this rectangle. Area of the rectangle is equal area of the curved surface is equal 5r times L, 5rl. Then area of cone is equal 5r squared plus 5rl. 5r squared plus area of a cone is equal 5r squared plus 5rl.